The onset of COVID-19 crisis called for the development of indigenous, reliable and low-cost diagnostic tools. In view of this, the researchers of CSIR's Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology started working on a diagnostic test in the early phase of corona crisis. A team of researchers led by Dr. Souvik Maity, Dr. Debjyoti Chakraborty developed a paper strip-based test kit in April itself using the state-of-the-art CRISPR-Cas9 technology. After testing the required samples of patients and meeting the high-quality benchmarks of the Indian Council of Medical Research, the test has now received regulatory approvals from the Drug Controller General of India for commercial launch.
We got DCGI का जो अप्रूवल होता है हाईएस्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ द इंडिया लास्ट वीक हम लोग को अप्रूवल मिला. एक्चुअली टाटा गॉट अप्रूवल एंड दिस टेक्नोलॉजी टाटा को ट्रांसफ़र किया गया है. एंड एज फार एज वी नो टाटा इज़ वर्किंग टू सेट अप द फैक्ट्री एंड उनका कहना है जो विथ इन अ वीक्स नॉट इवन मंथ दे विल बी रेडी टू launch it in the market. हमारा जो उम्मीद है it will be much cheaper than the RT-PCR kit whatever is available in the market. अभी जो बाजार में उससे तो कम हो सस्ता होगा ही होगा.
This test kit will be produced commercially by Tata Medical and Diagnostics Limited as Tata CRISPR Test Feluda. The paper strip-based kit will take a total of 1 hour to identify the genome sequence of coronavirus, starting with the extraction of sample RNA. CRISPR-Cas9 is a gene editing tool in which CRISPR is a guide RNA and Cas9 is an enzyme-based molecular scissors which cuts the genetic material at the required points. In 2019, IGIB scientists discovered a new variant of Cas9 protein from a different species of bacteria, which can cut DNA with high precision. IGIB scientists have used this indigenous discovery to develop the CRISPR-based diagnostic test. It is the world's first diagnostic test to deploy a specially adapted Cas9 protein to successfully detect the virus causing COVID-19.
तो इसमें क्या होता है कि वायरस की जो आरएनए है उसको डीएनए में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, फिर उस डीएनए को बहुत सारे कॉपीज़ में नंबर्स बढ़ाते हैं. उसके बाद CRISPR-Cas9 एक तकनीक होता है जिसके माध्यम से एक प्रोटीन लेके हम वो वायरस के सिग्नेचर को ढूंढ निकालते हैं और फिर उसके साथ पेपर स्ट्रिप केमिस्ट्री का इस्तेमाल करके एक स्ट्रिप में हम उसको डिटेक्ट करते हैं.
The Tata CRISPR Feluda test does not require high-end equipment and is quite easy to use. Even an ASHA worker can perform the test with a little training. This will help in conducting low-cost tests on a larger scale. Plus, this technique also has the potential to detect other pathogens in the future. Such collaborations between research institutes and industries are the need of the hour to scale up India's capability to tackle the pandemic.